My stops were at a distance of about approximately 240-250 kilometers, and MG gave me that perfect solution where I could travel to the next city without having to be worried about charging. It's a very, very comfortable car.
Before starting, I ask you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and at the end, share this video with your friends. Let's go to the video.
Change what we can, of course, drives the need of every human being to improve their own situation in which they are. Hi, I'm Vinod. I'm an electrical engineer by profession, and technology and its scans form a part of my hobby. And the other thing is I like to travel. And yes, I had my son to be dropped post-COVID for commencement of his colleges in Pune. I said, let's make this a road trip. So that's how we just packed our bags. So it was fully loaded with 2 people traveling from Delhi to Pune. Why did I choose MG ZS EV? The requirement for me was I needed to change my car. If I have one more car on the road and that is not causing pollution to the air that I'm driving, that's the change that I can do. It's the perfect solution for my long drive. I mean, when I was planning this journey, my stops were at a distance of about approximately 240-250 kilometers, and MG gave me that perfect solution where I could travel to the next city without having to be worried about charging. It's a very, very comfortable car. So driving it, there is nothing to beat its response, its comfort, its drivability, the features that are there. It makes you comfortable. Get into it and try and put it into drive without my seatbelts on, the car won't move. One thing I must make a stated point over here is that MG Motors and its support is superb. Be it from their garages, which are the service garages in Delhi, in Jaipur, in Udaipur, in Ahmedabad, they have been very, very great. I mean, you have such a friendly set of genuinely interested people that you don't feel the hesitancy in trying to approach them. Another great feature of this car is that it's got the MG customer call support in the car. I was stuck in a bit of a situation where I was running low on battery. I had not planned my journey very well, but I had these guys from the MG RSA. They kept calling me. It's not that they just called and left. They kept calling me. They followed up till I reached a place where I was safe for the next 2 hours. I mean, it is not something that I have experienced before. We need to understand that the MG does not present you with any range anxiety whatsoever, because you're going to go back home or you're going to go back to a place where there's at least a 15 amp charging point, right? And you don't need to charge it every day. Once a week, right? That's about it. And every day you're going to sleep at least 8 hours, but the car charges in 6 hours. Future of the car, I would say future of mobility is electric.